Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today is all my anime coloring books collection. So if you don't know about me, I'm a huge anime fan in coloring books and movies. So yeah, so this is my first one. I'm almost done finishing it. If you guys don't know, I can show you guys the most on finishing this book. So this one is called Creepy Fantasy, and it's Kiwi. And this is saying what the author is, but I got these on Amazon, so this is the one I have. And next one I'm working on is Cute Stuff by Coco. And I'm going to show you guys how far I got. I have to finish that one. I have to finish that one too. And that one. So I got this on Amazon, and this is by Coco. I can't pronounce the last name, and this is by Coco. Cute Stuff. I got that on Amazon as well. And Sweet Stuff, I don't know what the name by, and to say what the name is, but I still need to finish some of my coloring. So I finished this, and now I'm working on this, and that's all I've done. So. And this is what it is. I got this on Amazon as well. And then this is really cute. It's called Kiwi Coloring Book. Kiwi Food. And then it's a no. Oh, this is the author who designed the stuff. I haven't colored this yet. I need to get working on my coloring stuff for fall and winter. So this is on Amazon as well. And next I have anime coloring book Kiwi Cats. I think I colored some of them. I don't know. Let me see. Nope, I did not. So this is what it looks like in the front page. So this is what it looks like. And it's on Amazon as well. And this is the author of the coloring book, Amazon as well. And the next one I have Sweet Treats. It's an anime one as well. And I haven't started that one yet, so I'm starting that one. And this is by, it doesn't say where it's from. Let me see in the back. Nope, but I got this on the Amazon, I think, as well. And this is really cute. I need to start working on my books. Cute and simple, easy coloring book. And this is the name of the author as well. And this is on Amazon as well. I get all my cute anime stuff. So this is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like. So Amazon. And then Kiwi Cuties. I think I got this at Hobby Lobby, I think. It doesn't say. Yeah, Hobby Lobby because of the tag. Hobby Lobby. And let's just see what the author is on this book. But I need to finish this too. Like this one. And this one. So Hobby Lobby. And then Kiwi Cakes and Pastries coloring book. I don't know what the author on this. What to say. But I started coloring on this one. It gives me cute vibes. And this next one is fries, so it's on Amazon as well. Amazon. And then last, not least, is Fun and Cute Kiwi coloring book. So it's from, this is the name down here. And I don't know if I started this one. Oh, no. So this is the first page. So I'm going to show you guys how many I have. This is all my anime and static coloring books. I have I have 9 of them. 9 coloring books I need to get done. Because if I'm not doing anything in the fall or winter, I need to get this done. Because it's like winter, it's almost around winter time. So I just want to show you guys what I have for my coloring book collection. And the next thing I'm going to do my sticker book collection too. So, and comment down below what videos you want me to do. So next week is my birthday. I want to try my best to do a birthday vlog for you guys. And I will actually recommend these books. These are really good. I actually read all of them. They're actually really freaking good. It's called True Beauties. I'm a big fan of anime books and stuff. If you guys have any recommend what is a good anime book, comment down below because I want to get one for my birthday. I would like to know what is a good anime book or what is a good anime series because I need to watch them on Netflix. So yeah. So stay tuned for more videos and comment down below what videos you want me to do after my birthday. I need to get some writing ideas for blogging. And I'm going to get Final Cut Pro on my iPad because I'm going to use VLLO and Final Cut Pro on my iPad. So I'm going to get that very soon. And I hope you guys enjoy this mini vlog for Fall Diaries. And stay tuned for more videos. And we're going to the pumpkin patch again. I'm getting so tired of going to pumpkin patches. I've been to 3 of them already. And just to get me out of the house and stuff. Because I need to lose weight. That is my goal. And to eat more healthy. That is my goal this year as well. So I hope you guys have a good day. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.